In this video, I'll show you how to set up Square payments. First, go to the Square website and create an account. Enter your email address, create a password, and follow the registration steps. Next, provide your business information and complete the identity verification process. After that, connect your bank account. Open your account settings, find the bank accounts section, and enter your banking details. This is where Square will send your payments. Now, download the Square Point of Sale app and sign in with your account. Once you're inside, add your products or services by creating items and setting prices. Next, if you're accepting payments in person, connect your Square reader or other Square device by following the setup instructions. Once connected, you're ready to accept card payments. To take a payment, open the Point of Sale app, select the item being purchased, tap Charge, and choose the customer's payment method. The customer can tap, insert, or swipe their card to complete the transaction. If you want to accept payments online, you can also connect Square to your website or create an online store through Square. Finally, check that your bank account is connected correctly so you can receive your deposits without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Square payments. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.